Sangara kuiridi kuria bandu babethe no burema obugeni thubu bwakwekorekera mu kiguti cy'uwambare thene baburande barekwa inyuma mbika na ibindu ibingi
lakini kulinende amakuwa menshi ka walemafu babiramo sana nokchia hasi sana nonyora mbu abalaki amasomo sibanyora abakenya hatae lya khabiri singabo kurura hango okuchia kuchikasi cyabwe nombo kwekhabira sibala banyalwa ta abandi babula mitoka chindika cha kulanga wheelchair abandi babula artificial lake abandi babula isindu syo kubakaita babe barura hango bakhabe babanyala kumenya
digenda konoro budinyo kuduka mdaktari ne hare bindu byo kogenda sikobena byo burahira zi ofisi zi huduma kokirikobana zyo burongirigareda mangana nigatula kurugo diko lya karuno kobogeni bwa balema konora habari isanife niba kono report budiko nababora mundo mulauzie ku bande batigara yengo bara mabahula lidiko likolechi kalya naba nibo holandi moyo guko
Nekurekana na Kenneth Gande abatiti bizi hachi ziabana mu county ya Trans Nzoia babeniri henda mothe sabwenene dabana bakora imithinzi jokodora maduma mirimi jabandu bakomedeka nebemelwa na Moses Kirui kutramo muganda gwa power for the people abatiti dabo babura fane sabudha bana dabo banore iminangano da komedeka ninga deno bababe agema huru kaga Desemba.
Mnajua shida ni sisi the duty bearers, sisi kama wazazi. Ukiona mtoto wako unamwambia enda Mrokoto ndio akuje ajinunulie nguo, jua umeanguka. Ukiona mtoto wako anaenda Mrokoto alafu akuje kukula sapa, iko shida. Ni sisi ndio tumefanya watoto wetu wakue, tuna encourage child labor. Na hiyo child labor ina transit, anaenda kibarua na ujue anapitia wapi.
Abofisa b'obulindi kandi bakoteba bibuli korera bana babo na kuba hoboderi budokira ininga theno kundi kwebeta nende ebikorwa ibingi.
Jina naitwa Caleb Masika Ndoli. Kuna kesi inaitwa defilement. Tunapata tu kijana ambaye ako over 18 years amekuwa na mtoto mdogo na pengine alikuwa na future. Unapata baada ya kufanya hiyo kitendo ucha kwanza kwenye zake utapata ya kwamba akanafungo more than 20 years. Na ni kitu ambayo hata ungeavoid ingekuwa mzuri. Raha ambayo ungefanya tu ni maybe ulisikia tu for less than 10 minutes na unaenda ndani for 20 years. Mara mingi ukifikiria the positive side na negative side.
Nimetembea kwa hii vijiji yetu. Tunakaa kwa nyumba moja. Baba, watoto wanatandikiwa chini. Kitu yenye unafanya wewe na bibi yako. Hao watoto wakikua wanataka kufanya practice. Ndio maana unasikia incest. Tafadhali, si kujenga, tafadhali tuweke nyumba ya wasichana.
Omuganda gukuhenziriza obutobori gwa ILOG gwakubura ebidese binyingi byafungurwa kuninga thene kana byali nibifa byamazame omuthenzi gw'okukubeza kura n'okubariza gwekoreka n'okulonda marago mu butobori bukuzuzu bwekoreka omweri 7 gwa Novemba mu kiikalo n'abang'ondi bamageni omuganda gwa ILOG gwakubura nde ebikorwa by'ekezaro byaturila Kasipul mu kidonyo ky'ebunge kya Malava Mbeere North, Nairobi nende Machakos. ILOG eborande abasigari babura kubugura rogendo rwenekana engoba daretu buti hagati habakena nokubura kwituriza mu bunyinge kuzya kukubizi kura. ILOG thakoteba IBC kuruhizo uruhizi bwenekana mulietegekera oboto bulibuza fumuhiga 2007.
Kulikuwa na maeneo mengi wapiga kura walikuwa wanasema kwamba rushwa ilipeanwa. Kulikuwa pia tumeona pia ugawaji wa pesa, misaada na bidhaa mbalimbali katika maeneo tofauti, kumaanisha kwamba kuna watu ambao walikuwa wanachangia kuwashurutisha wapiga kura waweze ku support kundi moja au jingine kwenye uchaguzi huu. IBC inatakana itathmini kwa mapema mazingara ya uchaguzi ili kuhakikisha kwamba uchaguzi utafanyika kwa njia ya huru na ya haki.
Nekurekana na Kenneth Gande kurinzira ndarala madhari zumanene kubitira kubi mukibara keno kugenguro ubuhambani hagati n'abathenzire babo kandi kuruhisa uburamu bw'izinganaganizyabo idara reneza ya kutangiza masindano gumukeno gwa golf mukibara keno namuroma mukiguti cy'imikino cha Kakamega Sport Club Vincent Monda kutoka muofisi ya ODPP urande bakutumikira ensera thenere kureeta obuhambani n'obuthinzirivu gaso hagati habo. Kefa Juma na mingi.
This is part of the DPP's initiative to make sure that we move closer to mwananchi.
Yokonomoko Vincent Monda ohula muofisi ya ODPP ole emirire embaye cho echa golf mushikurisha Kakamega Sports Club ewabode dicho muri embaye cho nokurera imburisanya intei hakari wabayinziri betkoti nindaraia halalinde ohulwana tinkanagani timpi mubayinziri betkoti.
The importance of this event is just to ensure staff wellness and also as part of his corporate social responsibility insofar as mental issues are concerned and also staff welfare issues are. The DPP is keen on making sure that this event will also be devolved to other regions of the country. This is part of our mentoring program. Mentorship programs are not just about the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, but they are also part of our interaction with community members. And therefore, mentorship, insofar as the ODPP is concerned, is making sure that mental wellness of the entire community. So it involves children, it involves communities, and therefore this is a very important event, more so happening in Kakamega, so that we bring the community, which involves children, together, first of all, to understand our mandate, and secondly, just to make sure that there is wellness being involving all members of the community. The DPP is very keen in making sure that other than Kakamega County, you will also visit the other regions. You must understand that the ODPP is not just about prosecutions. It is also making sure that we get to the communities and most of the grassroots, so that they not only understand our mandate, but as a way of giving back to the community that the DPP is involved in community development related issues. We must realize that last month the DPP was here for the community dialogue. So DPP is trying to make sure that he engages the community, not just in community dialogues, but also sports. So sports is also one way of engaging the community. And this is where we have this dialogue so that we demystify this myth that the DPP cannot come to you. You've seen it for yourself. DPP is interacting with the young ones. DPP last year was last month here, interacting with various communities, especially the religious communities, community leaders.
Okula mukaunti ya Kakamega nesie kefa chuma owoti.
Vuka FM.
Kuzi mu county ya Meru abasigari kutura mu county ya Meru bakubabika mu buhambe abandu seta basanga mu kikorwa cyo kumuono gwino mukathe mula mu town ya Lari mukedonja chibunge cha Igembe North igikorwa icho charetu butima ku abakena ni bena ababugulu orogendo korondekana nasi abakumuono gwina umwana we mukana we nuthu ndoko rekodi video edara the DCI da kusubizande abasigari bikidese ni chalari bakubika mu buhambe abikora busita korondekana n'ikikorwa kinene kicekoreka umweri laragwa Desemba umuhiga guno 2025 DCI bora abasigari banode maripoti kutura ko abamenyi.
Vuka FM.
Ripoti y'omuganda gukurwaniriza haki z'abantu gwa KHRC gwa kusubirizande abantu babege n'emirime ni bake mu kibala kino kya Kenya. Kwa ipasenti da kabiri komyandara da bakena bene emireme jenusu gena kanaji bene jitomekirwa muri koro bulimi esabwe be hasi elidaka emireme lya koromba kubaho nende irimede kali ubudaka ko abakena izi milioni 22 babe yage mu budaka na epasenti da 69 komyandara abasakuru bakire ko hevwa amigizo ripoti iro limanako beho nende abantu batujize 1007 ezimya zibiri Siamula abeyagene miando heguru hizi milioni 169. KHRC yakudinyizande genekana ko beho nende obugira umwanyiko mangana gemereme na kande ko iriba ry'ubuchumi korande bakogeiza ekegero cy'ubudaka mukebarakeno.
Vuka FM.
Niho handwekizira mageni da gazela kuliza Vuka FM umodo gumruguri nzeni Kasvin Oresi.
Dago gakaba amageni mbutambi. Mvuka FM 95.4 FM Umwolo Gumrogori.